So having a little bit of fun with this one as we are now into the Christmas season. This is the second gift for my e-newsletter list. We're having fun with the spin the wheel. So the way that this one works is you click here, the wheel will spin and you can win 20% off, 25% off, nearly 50% off, so close, 15% off, or 100% off the online Abundance for Life online workshop. That's it. No sign up, no sign in. Just click to spin and see if you win. Now, the Abundance for Life, there are 6 new workshops that I'm rolling out. So I ran the Resiliency workshop last month. This month, actually next week, if you're watching this in real time, I'm running the Abundance for Life workshop. In January, we're running the Living the Law of Attraction, because I thought that would be a fantastic one to start the year with. And then after that, we've got the Happiness Generator, Genius Code, and Rapid Reading Made Easy. So those are 3 that are rolling out next year after we do the Living the Law of Attraction. So I've seen that 3 people have already won the 100% off because I've seen they've registered over the weekend. So congratulations to you all. And yeah, I just think, you know, this one in terms of the order and sequence, I did a survey for my e-newsletter list saying what order would you like me to run them in. So I'm going in the order that people have chosen. I'm looking forward to the Abundance for Life one. That's looking at mindset, beliefs, the trances that we live under, 4 different brainwave states which will change your ability to create and generate. I guess manifest is the word that people often use, what you want, changing the energy, changing the dynamic of things. So yeah, it's going to be good fun. It's online, so it means there's nowhere that you need to travel. It's all there. You can book the workshops separately, or at the moment there's a bundle where you can effectively pay for one workshop, get all 6 of them included in the package if you wanted to do all of them. And then you have you've got online access for a limited time. You've got 12 months access for these ones. So yes, I am looking forward to running it. So it could be you, and the Christmas prize draw winner is all you need to do is spin to win. If you want to see what's coming up, if you want further information about the workshops, easiest thing to do is go to my main website, transformationstm.com. That's TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM as in trademark, so transformationstm.com. Click the red What's New button at the top of the site. A panel will slide out, have a little bit of a scroll, and you'll see information about what's coming up. Those are it's an announcement panel. If you're not yet on my e-newsletter list, you can sign up for that on the same page. Look to the left, you'll see a box where you can sign up for my MailChimp e-newsletter, and that's where I go if I'm looking for, I used to say guinea pigs, I now say test subjects. So if I'm looking for people to test stuff out, when I do my pre-launches, those of you on my e-newsletter list, you tend to get different prices to the prices that I put out to the public. If there are a limited number of things, then they launch first with my e-newsletter. And, you know, if I'm putting stuff together, doing new things, testing things out. So this weekend, for example, I wanted to test out a new remote energy process. So sent that email out yesterday, had people come back today. So I did those free sessions today. So if you're not on the list, make sure you get yourself signed up. And yes, so it's very simple. As I said, no sign in, no sign up for the actual wheel itself. So you click this button here where it says click to spin. If you win, it will display the coupon code. There'll be the button where you can click through to the site where you can redeem your code. So cut and paste the code, click the button, and Bob's your uncle, as they say. Right, so let's spin the wheel so you can see what you have to do. So it's just click to spin. So click here. Ooh, 25% off. We got a bit of confetti, woohoo! And that's your coupon code. So you cut and paste your coupon code, click here where it says redeem your gift. It will take you to the site, and you'll see a space where you can enter your coupon code, and it will take 25% off the price of the workshop. So good luck, have fun. Yeah, and I look forward to working with you. That will be amazing, whether it's this workshop or one of the other 6 that are in the series. They're all amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to running them and looking forward to working with you. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, over and out, and thank you for watching, thank you for playing, and congratulations to the winners.